This instructional video will show you how to align two separate name or a name and a number or two individual numbers onto a t-shirt using the Perfect Transfer tool. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to clear off our heat press platen and place our shirt onto it. In this case, we're going to put it onto the back of the shirt. So all we're going to do is lay the shirt down, and I want the bottom of the collar to just fall off of the heat press. Then what I'll do is I'll come down to the sides and I'll just put my hands underneath and see if the bottom of the shirt matches up. If they're not the same, just slightly move the shirt over some and then flatten the shirt out onto the heat press. Flat. Once you have that done, you can take your heat applied names and numbers, or in this case we're just using two names, and we're going to place them down. Now you can turn around and place the Perfect Transfer alignment tool over the top of it. We're going to align the tool onto the shirt using 3 points of registration: the bottom of the collar and the bottom of both of the sleeves, to square the tool to the shirt, and then we'll align the names and numbers up. In the process, I'm going to go ahead and remove the inserts. And we'll just start off by aligning the bottom of the collar. If you flip the collar up, you can either go off of the center line and put it at the bottom of the collar, or you can grab the points of the collar, which I refer to as Batman points, and flip them over, and then you can know where to slide the tool so they both match. At this point in time, we know that the center of the tool is at the bottom center of the collar. Now all we need to do is take our sleeves and flip our sleeves over. And we're going to use the bottom of the two sleeves for our sleeve alignment. In this case, you notice this one comes to the line F, and this one here comes to the line a little bit below F. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate my tool until they both meet. When they both meet into the same spot, I then can fold this down. In some cases, depending on how big your names or your numbers are, you can just use the both vertical and horizontal markings and guides on the tool to align your name and your number off of. So if I wanted to just eyeball it, I could say I want the top of the name to be 2 inches from the bottom of the collar. I can come across 2 inches, and then I can use the vertical markings to align it up. And then if I want the next one to come off of number 5, I can do the exact same thing. If you want, you also have both the large and the small inserts that you can put into the slots and use that to help align up as well. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and do this with both the large and the small slots, where I can come in here and press down, and notice that it's going to come in between just the 5 and the 5, and it's horizontally straight across there. Then I can turn around, take my other one. The large insert has slots in it, primarily designed for left and right chest, but also come very handy in when lining this up. We're going to use our vertical lines to match up. Once we know we have them straight, we'll just pull the tool off and close the heat press. And that's all it takes.